With the world being the state that it is, I keep my mind focused on my family and my friends. I begin to see the difference between society's norms and a normal me.
I'm Kyle Cunningham with the MyPlash Metal Militia Yamaha team, and I'm going to give you a few tips on scrubbing today.
Since the flame was ignited, the fire burns eternal. This is straight up hip hop.
Scrubbing on the track is a big part, comes into play. Bigger jumps, bigger lips, and you know, when you want to go a little bit further, scrubbing kind of comes into play to keep the bike low, keep you low, make up time, and keep the momentum driving forward. Like today, kind of on the table, I feel like, you know, it's all about the setup. Coming out of the corner, you know, from the point I'm going at the jump, I'm carrying my momentum, but, you know, I like to kind of turn my body into it and let the bike glide a little bit. You know, depending on the jump and how the lip is, every once in a while, you know, kind of turn the front end down and keep the bike low, but it's really about carrying that momentum and, you know, squeezing with your legs and using your hips through the lip, and, you know, it can get sketchy. Sometimes we go too far, but, you know, it's definitely fun, and then sometimes it's probably over-exaggerated a little bit, but, you know, it's definitely good for keeping the bike low and making up time on the track on the bigger jumps. Make sure you start off small. Don't go too big right away, and, you know, just kind of work your way up to it, and, you know, good luck with it.
As far as my career, like Jerry Rice, I'm going long as Samson before Delilah, yeah. I'm going strong, see that's what I'm focused on.